Here is how to clear cache from apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, you have to go to Settings and then go to Storage Settings. So just search for Storage, select this option, and then we have to go to Apps. So this page may look different based on your phone, but just go to Apps. Once you're here, you'll see all of the apps on your device. And now we individually have to clear cache from each app. So let's say I want to clear cache from Spotify. I'll click on it, then scroll down, and you'll find this option, Storage. And on the right, there's an option, Clear Cache. So currently, there's only 4 KB of cache, but once I clear it, it will become 0. So the same way, you'll have to go to each app and clear cache. And one thing that you can do is sort apps based on size. So the largest apps will come on top. You can do this by clicking on this icon and then sort by size. And then just go through the cache for all of the large apps. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.